welcome back to Little Monster Eats. We are doing easy meals this week. So easy mom meals, easy kid meals. This is what we're gonna do. We're using the Bentgo kits today. Inside of the Bentgo kits, I just have a cheese quesadilla. So really quick on the stovetop, just get some flour tortillas, add some cheese. I like mozzarella cheese, it melts really well. And then I have 2 tortillas, cut them into slivers here, and we have that. Now, if your child likes guac, or any kind of dip like salsa, you can always add that in the little center here, or you can buy these individual cups. This is guacamole. He does not like this. I'm just showing this as an option. This is something I would bring, but we have that. I have a clementine that I peeled up, some pretzel chips, multivitamins are here in the center per usual, and then I have these mini Oreos for dessert. For a snack today, I'm gonna give him these Ritz Bits cheese crackers, and then I also made a bagel with some cream cheese for him to bring for breakfast because he has not been waking up very well in the morning, and I want to make sure that he eats something, so he eats this during his morning announcements at school. So that is what he's bringing. He's also going to have a bottle of water and a bottle of milk with him, and that is what he is eating today. So this is a quick and easy meal. Hopefully he will finish everything, but we will see at the end of the day. Have a good one. Good morning, little monsters. Today we have another easy put together meal. I am using a thermos container, and I don't use this very often, but that is what I'm going with today. Inside the lid, usually there is a spoon. However, he did lose the spoon, and so now I'm just giving him sporks to use and then bring back home. But inside I have just mac and cheese. Just heated up one of those cups in the microwave, and so that's what he's going to be eating today. The trick is, if you guys haven't used this thermos container, is to heat up some boiling water. You're going to put it in and let it sit in here for about 10 minutes, dump it out, clean it up, and then put in the hot food, and it should stay warm up until lunchtime. And I have tried it myself to bring to work, and it does actually work. With that, I'm going to give him a snack box. This is made by a company called Kinshow. I got it off of Amazon, and I really like it. It does have a plastic lid, so sometimes it seems like it kind of warps a little bit, so it's a little bit harder to put on and off. Just be careful. I never use the dishwasher for it, but still, I just feel like I'm not 200% sure about keeping it or not, because it doesn't seem as sturdy as the other brands that we use. However, I love the size of it. So in here I have some veggie straws. I have his little cup where I put multivitamins in. I have some mini tomatoes here, and then I have a clementine that I peeled up. So that's going to complement the mac and cheese that I have here. I'm going to also give him a bagel and cream cheese. This is for breakfast that he can eat during morning announcements. He hasn't been able to wake up early in the morning enough because the daylight's kind of lasting longer. He's playing outside a little bit more, and so he's really sleepy in the morning. So I'm just going to give him that so he can eat in school. And then for a snack, I'm just going to give him a chocolate chip granola bar. I'm going to also give the thermos of milk and water per usual, and that is what he's going to be eating, and we will see what he finishes at the end of the day. Have a good one. Bye. Good morning, guys. Today we have another easy meal, throw together meal. I'm using the Bentgo Kids Chill. Inside the Bentgo Kids Chill, I have here, I took some spinach wraps and I added some turkey, some cheese, and then I added a little bit of ranch dressing in it, and then I rolled it up tightly into this little cigar kind of shape. I had cut it into 2 pieces, so originally it was just like this. Didn't even really take the time to fold in the ends like I would for like a regular wrap, and then rolled it up tightly, cut it in half, and then I have these 2 here. I also have some grapes to go with that. I have some goldfish, and then I just kind of threw in some cherry tomatoes. I have his multivitamins also in the same container, and then I gave him 2 Hershey Kisses for dessert. Now this is the Bentgo Kids Chill. If you guys haven't seen this one yet, I try to use this. I actually use it pretty often, sometimes without the tray, but there is a freeze tray right here. You put this in the freezer, pop this on top, and then it keeps the food cold until lunchtime, and it actually does work really well. So that is going to be for lunch. For a snack, I'm going to give him a bag of apple chips here. So these are just dried apple chips. And then for breakfast, I'm just going to give him a Nature's Bakery fig bar. This one's the apple cinnamon flavor. For drinks, I'm going to give him a carton of milk to go with breakfast. And then I have 2 thermoses of water. It's starting to get really hot over here, and so I'm going to give him 2 of these so he stays hydrated for the day. We will see if he finishes this at the end of the day. Have a good one. Bye. Happy Friday, little monsters. We are at the end of our lunch week, and this is one of my go-to lazy mom lunch long work week, finally at the end, and I just wanted to just put something together. So this is one of my go-tos. The other one is Nutella sandwiches, but today I have the Yum Box Original, and inside I have a DIY Lunchables. So I started off with some Ritz crackers. I have a clementine that I peeled up. This is some Cinnamon Toast Crunch cereal. Usually I have the vitamins in here, but this with all the little sugar contents, I didn't want it to kind of spill into other areas. So I left it in here, and then I put his vitamins in a silicone cup on this side. I have a cheese stick, and then I have some mini tomatoes here that I just threw in the box. Usually I slice this up, I put it on a little stick, make it a little skewer. This I just decided to kind of, you know, pull the little lunch meat pieces apart and just left it in here because he's gonna eat with his hands anyway. So that is what he's bringing for lunch. I'm gonna go ahead and also give him a stick of yogurt. And then also in case he needs another snack, I'm just gonna give him these cheese Ritz bites to bring to school. Because it is Friday, I like to give him a treat. So I'm just going to give him a box of chocolate milk, and then I'll also add a thermos of water as well. That is what he's bringing for lunch. I'm so glad you guys made it to the end of this lunch week. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, please do so you don't miss next week's lunches. And I will see you guys later. Have a monster-rific weekend. Bye.